Namaste students, my name is Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidhyapeeth, University Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss a brief account of origin and evolution of man. And this topic belongs to the subject ecology and evolution. So about 2000 million years ago, the first cellular forms of life appeared on Earth. The mechanism of how non-cellular aggregates of giant macromolecules could evolve into cells with membranous envelope is not known. Some of these cells had the ability to release oxygen. So the reaction could have been similar to the light reaction in photosynthesis, where water is split with the help of solar energy captured and channelized by the appropriate light harvesting pigments. Slowly, the single celled organisms became multicellular life forms. By the time of 500 million years ago, invertebrates were formed and active. Jawless fishes probably evolved around 350 million years ago. Seaweeds and few plants existed probably around 320 million years ago. So we are told that the first organisms that invaded land were plants. They were widespread on land when animals invaded land. So fish with stout and strong fins could move on land and go back to water. So this was about 350 million years ago. In 1938, a fish caught in South Africa happened to be caught a uh, coelacanth, which was thought to be extinct. These animals called lobifins evolved into fish, first amphibians that lived on both land and water. So there are no specimens for these left with us. However, these were ancestors of modern days frogs and salamanders. So the amphibians evolved into reptiles. They lay thick-shelled eggs which do not dry up in the sun, unlike those of amphibians. So again, we only see their modern day descendants, the turtles, tortoise, crocodiles. In the next 200 million years or so, reptiles of different shapes and sizes dominated the earth. So giant ferns, pteridophytes were present, but they all fell to form the coal deposits slowly. Some of these land reptiles went back into water to evolve into fish-like reptiles, probably 200 million years ago. So the land reptiles were, of course, the dinosaurs, and the biggest of them, Tyrannosaurus, uh, was about 20 feet in height and had huge, fearsome daggers like teeth. About 65 million years ago, the dinosaurs suddenly disappeared from the earth. So we do not know the true reason. Some say climatic change killed them. Some say most of them evolved into birds. The true may lie in between. Small size reptiles of that era still exist today. The first mammal were like shoes. Their fossils are small size. Mammals were viviparous and protected their unborn young inside the mother's body. The mammals were more intelligent in sensing and avoiding danger at least. So when reptiles came down, uh, mammals took over this earth. So there were in South Africa, America, mammals resembling horse, hippopotamus, deer, rabbit, etc. Due to continental drift, when South America joined North America, these animals were uh, overridden by American fauna. So now talk about the origin and evolution of the man. So about 15 million years ago, primates called the Diapithecus and Rampithecus were existed. They were hairy and walked like gorillas and chimpanzees. So Rampithecus was more man-like, while Diapithecus was more ape-like. So few fossils man bone have been discovered in Ethiopia and Tanzania. These reveal hominid features, leading to the belief that about 3 to 4 million years ago, men like primates walked in Eastern Africa. So they were probably not taller than 4 feet but walked upright. So 2 million years ago, Australopithecus probably lived in East African grassland. So evidences shows that they hunted with stone weapons, but essentially ate food. Some of the bones among the bones discovered were different. So this creature was called the first human-like being, the hominid, and was called the Homo habilis. So the brain capacity were between 650 to 800 cc. They probably did not eat meat. Fossils discovered in Java in 1891 uh, uh, revealed the next stage, that is Homo erectus, about 1.5 billion years ago. So Homo erectus had a large brain around 900 cc. So Homo erectus probably ate meat. The Neanderthal men with the brain size 1400 cc lived in Near East and Central Asia between 1 lakh to 40,000 years back. So they used hides to protect their body and buried their dead. Homo sapiens arose in Africa and moved across continent and developed into the distinct races. So hope you are satisfied with this presentation. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidhyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.